First, take out of all items from the package. Package includes instruction manual, monitor, bracket, camera, video cable, cigarette lighter adapter, straps. Pick up the video cable. Connect one end of the video cable to the 4-pin connector on the monitor. Connect the other end of the video cable to the camera. Connect the DC port of the cigarette lighter adapter to the red connector on the monitor extension cable. The camera can rotate 360 degrees flexibly. Connect the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. The task finished. Pick off the bracket. Loosen the screw. The bracket can be flexibly adjusted. Pull up the buckle. Align the bracket with the hole on the back of the monitor and snap it in. Tighten the screws. Tear off the protective film on the bottom of the bracket. Install it on the windshield or dashboard and pull down the buckle to fix it. Pick up the camera. Now how to install the camera. Pass the strap through the hole of the camera bracket and fold it in half. Follow my operation. The other strap goes through the hole behind the camera vertically and is folded in half and glued together. Place the camera in the proper position of the seat and wrap the strap around the seat. Follow my operation. The camera can rotate 360 degrees flexibly. You can also install it in the rear seat. Place the camera in the proper position of the seat and wrap the strap around the seat. When the camera be fixed on rear seats and the child faces behind the car, just cut right wire and reboot. The image changes to facing. Tear off the protective film on the camera before use. Here are 5 IR lights. This is a sensor. The infrared light is on. The image will become black and white. Connect the camera to one end of the video cable. Connect the monitor to the other end of the video cable. Connect the DC port of the cigarette lighter adapter to the red connector on the monitor extension cable. Connect the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. The monitor is in mirror mode by default. Use the tool to cut the thin white wire. Turn off the monitor's power and quickly turn on. The monitor automatically switches to normal image. Press the N key to enter the menu mode. Press the up or down key to adjust the brightness. Press the M key to switch to the contrast. Press the up or down key to adjust the contrast. Press the N key to switch to the saturation. Press the up or down key to adjust the saturation. Press the N key to switch to the language. Press the up or down key to select the language you need, such as English. Press the N key to switch to the reset. Now demonstrate the reset function. Press the N key to enter the menu mode. Press the up or down key to adjust the brightness is 57. Presses the N key to switch to the reset. Press the up or down key to turn on the reset function. The brightness parameters are restored to factory settings.